có hiệu quả và bảo đảm an toàn.
So you want to take picture then when we do the formal signature?
Yes, that would be great.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes, we are open to assist everything today. I will see face to face.